Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can solve action block from your Instagram account 2020. Okay, let's go in and do this video, but before we start this video, I would like you to go to your YouTube, open up your YouTube. Search and tech import. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. So let's go in and do this thing. So as you can see right now, my Instagram is on action block, and I can't like anything or comment. Once I do it, I get this. So at the end of this video, this problem will be solved. Don't worry, you can do the same for iOS and Android. So let's head into my settings, or you can just click on your app. It opens up and go to your app's details, application details. If you cannot get this through your own phone, you can just go to settings, go to apps, you look for your Instagram. Once you open it up, it will pop up like this. So what you need to do now, you first stop the app, you go to your storage and you clear cache, then you clear storage. Now you can see I'm done clearing my storage, so I'm just gonna go back. You come back to permission and you grant permission to all permissions, and now I've granted permission. So all I have to do now is go back and open my Instagram account. You'll be asked to sign into your Instagram account, so I'm just gonna sign in right now. So I've signed into my Instagram account, and I'm going to try to like a picture right now and see if it worked. You can see right now it works. So guys, thank you for watching, and please, if it does not work for you, there's another way you can try this. You can actually come to your settings by clicking on your profile down below. Click on the three lines on the right top corner, go to settings, go to your account, and you go to your password. You head to security. I mean to say, you go to security and you click on your password. You can change, if you have this problem, you can also change your Instagram password. That is for iOS mostly. You can change your Instagram password to a new one for this to start working. In case if you cannot clear your cache or clear your storage, you can actually come to your Instagram settings like I've shown you below. Just open up your Instagram, go to your profile, then click on these three lines up here, go to settings, to security, then click on your password. The current password, you have to remember it, then the new one, and you try it again. And after you do this, you click on reset password, and at the end of it, it should be able to work. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If this video worked for you, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and please leave the comment down below, and I will see you next time. Stay blessed and God bless the world.